My favorite OsteoStrong story is preventing Cindy's knee replacement. She called to ask me questions about possibly becoming a member here and how it could help her. She had one knee that had been replaced, so the other one was kind of heading in the same direction, and she basically came in and said, look, I don't want to do that. I don't want to have another knee replacement, so I'm going to give this a shot, or what do you think? So that became kind of a goal of mine. I really wanted to help her. She was a friend. And so she started coming, and in the beginning, you know, she had some pretty significant pain, so we had to take it really pretty easy in the beginning. So a little bit of unknown, not sure how it was going to go or how long it was going to take. But after a couple of months, she really started to feel the difference when she was going up downstairs, when she would, you know, walk out to a country property that they had. There was a lot of instability in the ground out there, where she would go to go out with her husband to work on their property. And she really started feeling a lot better. And when if she ever had to miss a week here, she would tell me that she would really feel that she missed her week and she needed to get back to OsteoStrong. So after several months, she revisited her doctor, and they, you know, told her, you know, based on how you're feeling now, that they really don't foresee her having to have the replacement. So she's committed now to continuing at OsteoStrong and loves coming and loves her results. And that felt really great to be able to help her reach her goals.